Shall we begin? Let's begin.
Shikodachi. Hey! Yay! Okay, so we'll start with the basic punching technique. Okay? Punch. First here, 180 degree. Hey! Yay! Okay? Keep your body level down only so that your muscles will become more powerful. Okay? And then other side 180 degree. Hey! Yay! Then 45 degree. Yay! Then again 45 degree. Yay! Then 90 degree. Yay! One more. Yay! Yes. So now everybody come into this position. Okay. We'll do 5 time. Okay. We'll start with Gyakusuki. Okay. Gyakusuki 180 degree. Gyakusuki 180 degree. Gyakusuki 45 degree. Gyakusuki 45 degree. Gyakusuki 90 degree. Gyakusuki 90 degree. Then again 180 degree, 180 degree, 45 degree, 45 like this. Okay. So you do. Os. Everybody ready? Okay, Shikodachi. Hey! Yay! Gyakusuki, start with the right hand. 180 degree. Okay? Hey! Yay! Then again, then left hand, 180 degree. Hey! Yay! Then again, right hand, 45 degree. Hey! Yay! Then 45. Hey! Yay! Then 90 degree. Hey! Yay! 90 degree. Yay! Okay, same thing. 5 time. I will give count. Everybody do. Okay? Ajmane. Hey! Yay! Hey! Yay! Sir! Yay! See! Yay! Go! Yay! Hey! Yay! Hey! Yay! Hey! Yay! Q! Yay! Q! Yay! Hey! Ma! Hey! Yay! Hey! Yay! Hey! Yay! Hey! Yay! Hey! Good! Hey! Yay! 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 Yay! Yummy! These type of techniques will sharpen your mind also. Okay? You never know which direction. You are fighting, your opponent is going to this direction. You do attack like this. You are here and then punch. Here and punch. Okay? So this, your legs only will take you to your opponent in different direction. This is very, very important. Okay? I hope everybody understand. If everybody understand, show thumbs up. If everybody understand, show thumbs up. Yes. So technique, very simple. Because you have a during lockdown time, you have very short distance, you have very small place to practice. So only Shikodachi is the best stance to practice. Okay. This Shikodachi convert into Zenkuzachi. Zenkuzachi. Okay? Shikodachi. Shikodachi. 180 degree. Zenkuzachi. Zenkuzachi. Okay? So all direction. 45, 180, 90 degree. Okay? So you will have good balance in your legs, in your body, good muscles. Okay? And presence of mind. It will develop your presence of mind. During the fight, kumite, you can immediately take your decision what to do. If your opponent is running, right side, left side, 45, 90, 180, you can attack. You can, okay. So this will make your mind more and more responsive. So this is the task. Now same way, we will do kicking. So once again, everybody Shikodachi. Hey! Yay! So we'll start with Mayagiri. Okay? So Mayagiri, you can see we can do Mayagiri from both legs, rear leg and front leg. Okay? And the same 180 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree. Okay. So now you see. Okay, if everybody can see, front leg. If we use front leg, 180 each. Yes. 45 degree.
Yay!
Yes. And 90 degree.
Yay!
Okay. Again you see 180 degree, 180 and kick. 45,
Yay!
90.
Wait!
And the other kick is from the rear leg. Okay. So rear leg, turn this side. Okay. 45 degree. This leg, front kick. Okay. This leg, 180 degree. Okay. So different direction. You have to make your mind very responsive. You have to make your muscles in every direction. Okay. Your muscle should work, your mind should work. Okay. You go for attack in any direction. So I see so many people only do training only one direction. This. No. Your opponent can go, your fighting opponent go this way, this kick. You go this kick. Okay? So your body should be responsive in all the direction. This is very important part of Kumite training. Okay? So we'll do this small 5 time kick in all the direction Maigiri. Okay? Shikodachi. Hey!
Yay!
Okay? So start with the front leg. 180, 45 and 90 degree. Okay? Us. Ajme. Hey!
Yay!
Okay, then again come to the same level. Feel your muscles. Feel your muscles. See. Okay? Then 45 degree. Hey!
Yay!
Then 90 degree. Hey!
Yay!
Other leg. Hey!
Yay!
Hey!
Yay!
Hey!
Way!
Okay, now everybody do 5 times. Get ready. Show your thumbs up if you are ready. Okay, so start with the left leg. Okay, 180, 45, 90. Right leg 180, 45, 90. Okay, Ajmain. Hey!
Yay!
Hey!
Way!
Son!
Yay!
Say!
Yay!
Go!
Way!
Raku!
Yay!
Hey!
Yay!
Hey!
Yay!
Son!
Way!
Hey!
Yay!
Hey!
Yay!
Son!
Way!
Hey!
Yay!
Hey!
Yay!
Son!
Yay!
Hey!
Yay!
Hey!
Yay!
Son!
Yay!
Last 50.
Yay!
Hey!
Yay!
Son!
Yay!
See!
Yay!
Oh!
Yay!
Yeah!
Yay!
Yummy! Very good. Just 5 means 15 kick this side, 15 kick this side. Okay? So you will get multi-direction kick. Okay? Which will definitely help you. Okay? So never do kick in the same direction. Okay? Try to do kick in different direction. So your body will definitely respond at the time of requirement. Okay, sometimes you are fighting your opponent here and you don't know. You don't know how to kick or punch. Then you only just follow him. You understand? If you go this way, you go this way. If you go this way, you go this way. No. You are fighting. If you go this way, kick. If you go this way, punch. Okay? Use like you are carrying weapon in your hand. You have to just pull the trigger. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? Not just follow him all the way. Okay? You understand? So this is very important. When you will do multi-direction kick and technique, the movement in your legs, in your feet will make you able to catch your opponent. You understand? So this is very important. So now the next, after Gyakusuki, these are the very basic but very important technique. Rest you have to use your mind. So you can to make your mind more responsive, you can do in different direction. You just make task for yourself. आप अपने लिए कोई task बनाओ. Okay. Just to make your mind more responsive. 45. Okay. No 45. 45. 180. Okay. 90. This. Okay. So your mind will work. You can take one partner who will give you command 180, then 180. He will not say 45. He will say 180 at the side, 45, 90. So your mind. Okay. So same Shikodachi. Hey.
Hey.
Same front leg. You will see 180 degree. Hey.
Hey.
45 degree,
Hey.
90 degree.
Hey.
Okay. Now you see in this direction. Okay. So 180,
Hey.
45,
Hey.
90.
Hey.
Okay. Then from the front leg. Okay. 90,
Hey.
45,
Hey.
180.
Hey.
Okay, so you must do training, okay, in all the direction. So again, we will do 5 time. Get ready, everybody. Okay, 5 time Mawashi Geri, 180, 45, 90. 180, 45, 90. Okay, everybody ready? Show your thumbs. Okay. So Shikodachi. Okay. Fighting position. Hand like this. Now start with the left leg 180 degree. Hey!
Yay!
Nahi.
Yay!
Son.
Yay!
Other leg. Hey!
Yay!
Nahi.
Yay!
Son.
Hey!
Other leg. Hey!
Yay!
Nahi.
Yay!
Son.
Yay!
Hey!
Yay!
Nahi.
Yay!
Son.
Yay!
Hey!
Yay!
Hey!
Yay!
Hey!
Yay!
Hey!
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 Yay!
Hey!
Yay!
Last. Hey!
Yay!
Nahi.
Yay!
Son.
Yeah!
Hey!
Yay!
Nahi.
Yay!
Son.
Yay!
Yummy. So, you understand? This will definitely help you when you are fighting. Suppose my opponent is fighting, okay, and I am the opponent. You normally do practice front and back, okay. I am fighting. If I want to go my right side,
Yay!
immediately he should respond. His body should respond, okay. If I go out,
Yay!
if I go this side,
Yay!
okay. If I come little under,
Yay!
eh,
Yay!
eh,
Yay!
eh, okay. So different. You make your mind, you make your body very, very responsive, okay. So immediately, like last time also I told you, in cricket, when you are batting, ball is coming at the speed of 120 kilometer, and within fraction of second, you have to decide, you have to cover drive, you have to hook, or you have to play safe or cut, anything. Just a little mistake, okay, will make you out, or catch, or clean bowled, or LBW. So the way you decide in any game, okay, in karate also. So when you see sometime your video of your tournament video, then you see and realize that how many opportunity you miss in the tournament. You do one thing, you go and see your previous competition videos of Kumite. Then you will see in the 2 minute or 3 minutes bout, at least 10 to 15 times, 10 to 15 times, my friends, you missed the opportunity to score. Okay? Because only for one reason, your body is not responsive. Your mind is not able to take very quick decision of attack, you know. So this is the training for that. I want to make always my players foundation very strong. If your foundation, आपकी नींव मजबूत होगी तो आप कितनी भी अच्छी बिल्डिंग बना सकते हो. इसीलिए आपकी किहोन, आपके बेसिक, आपकी जो फाउंडेशन है, आपके जो पैर हैं और आपका जो माइंड है, यदि एक आपका व्हील है जो आपको लेके जाएगा और एक आपका इंजन है, यू नो, जो आपको स्पार्क देगा, तो तभी आपकी गाड़ी स्पीड से भागेगी. आई होप एवरीबडी अंडरस्टैंड. And slowly, then you will see if you do regular practice, even 15 kick you do, you feel, you know, exhausted. This is the beauty of the training. You know, in a very small place, you do 15 kick. Yes, this is good. You must feel exhausted. You must feel tired. Okay? Now we will do Yokogiri. Shikodachi. Hey!
K!
Okay? One in this direction. Okay? It. This is to stop your opponent. Okay? Same kick, this direction for scoring. It.
Yay!
Yes. This kick for stop. It. This kick for scoring. Whatever, change. It.
Yay!
Okay? So, we will do the same kick. Shikodachi. Okay? From here. Stopping. This. Score. Okay? And come. Stopping. Score. Okay? So, keep it in mind. When you are doing kick from the rear leg to your opponent, you will get score. Okay? And front leg, you be very, very small. If he's coming and, okay, just stop. Push him. Kick him. Shikodachi. Hey!
K!
Okay? So we'll do 5 kicks. Everybody ready? Start with the right leg. Okay? Right leg first. You know, stopping kick. Yokogiri. Second for scoring kick. Hajme. Hit.
K!
Knee.
K!
Hit.
K!
Knee.
K!
Hit.
K!
Knee.
K!
Hit.
K!
Knee.
K!
Last. Hit.
K!
Knee.
K!
Yummy. Okay. So this training you can do with both the legs. Okay. We have our. So opponent. Yes. So when your opponent do kick, okay, always you focus here. And sometimes you see 90% of our attacks are not coming in scoring area. They will be very, very far. Okay, most of the time it will very, very far. So take your partner under this direction. So don't think that face of your opponent is here. You always think your opponent is here, because during the tournament he will do like this. Okay, so this kick should come from this or this angle. Okay, so now you see 8.
Yay!
8.
Yay!
So this is the training. Kick should not touch here, okay, and kick should not finish here. So, 8.
Hey! 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 Hey!
So you can do little less distance also to make your kick more and more perfect. Okay, you can see the other angle. Come, same kick in the other angle. Now you can see Okay, not focus here, not target here, target here, and kick should come within my body. Okay, now you see slow. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, now see. Hey!
Way! Way! Way!
Yes. So this is very very important. Okay. So always target your opponent. You know, maybe 6 inches. You know, ahead. If you. So anyway, now the next technique. Next technique of practical application of the punch. Now the next technique of practical application of punch, you know, in different direction, which we practice in the very beginning. Okay, so like I am the opponent. Okay, if I go little in, punch. If I go little back, punch. If I go little, so you have to slide, okay, your movement. Okay, if I go little 45 degree, okay, if I go from here, okay, same way for Kisamizuki, ich. If I go this, if I go this, okay, so all direction you must practice. So now with the opponent, first you did like this, 1, 2, 3, okay. Now with your opponent, okay, with your opponent, okay, he is my opponent. So everybody get ready, okay. First he will come little forward to punch. Ich. Now he go little back, punch, punch, punch. Okay, now I go 45 degree, punch. I go other side. I go other side. Kisamizuki. Kisamizuki. If I go come in, Kisamizuki. If I go this side, okay. So always this is very simple, but it will make your body very very responsive. You have to train in that manner. No only front punch, front Kisamizuki. No, always 1, 2, 1, 2. Stance here, okay, block here, kick here, punch here, other direction. Now you see. Now you see. Okay. मेरे वाले को उससे कर दो फोर्स. जूम तो नहीं. So, this is the last and the final for today's session. You know, target practice in different directions, okay, of Gyakuzuki and Kisamizuki, okay. You can use your hands also, help your opponent like this way. If he is punching like for Kisamizuki, I can go,
Way!
I can go,
Way!
I can go,
Way!
this,
Way!
this,
Way!
this,
Way!
This.
Way!
This.
Way!
okay. So don't miss even a single, you know, opportunity to score. So this is very important, that in different direction your body should respond nicely, very quickly. This is very very important. So one more time I show you. If just always imagine in your mind, okay, just make your muscles so strong that inside or back side, both side, your attack should always be ready, okay. If I am opponent, I am coming for any attack, he will come. Okay, I'll go little back, he will come for attack.
Hey!
So, if I come inside,
Hey!
okay, if I go back,
Hey!
if I come in,
Hey!
if I go side,
Hey!
if I go other side,
Hey!
Kisamizuki same.
Hey!
If I go,
Hey!
if I go,
Hey!
so all the direction we have to train very, very hard, very, very fast, very, very quickly, okay, with using our mind. And all the best. Today we have had a very wonderful session of seminar, 30 minutes. So I hope everybody will join me in the third session, which I'm going to announce very soon. So from my side, my son Pranay Sharma side, wish you a very happy and blessed Sunday. All the best. Stay home, stay safe, fight Corona and win over Corona. Thank you. Bye bye.